At Lucintel, we have done significant research into the 3D printing materials market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the 3D printing materials market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews with players throughout the value chain of this market to develop these insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel, and I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, value chain analysis, due diligence, and M&A to companies around the world. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the 3D printing materials market. To summarize, we see the opportunity as being promising. For example, the market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 18% through 2025. That's significantly higher than GDP. 3D printing materials have evolved through a number of stages, from stereolithography to the current advanced inkjet deposition used in the market today. Currently, photopolymer is the largest market by material technology. In terms of the regions, North America offers the largest opportunity for 3D printing materials, followed by the Asia Pacific and then by Europe. If you look into the value chain, we see that the ecosystem for 3D printing materials is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the key drivers and emerging trends in this market. Some of the major drivers include flexibility in the use of multi-materials and the ease of making complex designs. But some of the challenges include the high cost of these raw materials. Now, as you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, challenges, and opportunities throughout the market. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities to reduce cost and increase competencies with advanced 3D printing materials. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the 3D printing material market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market, or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or perhaps, where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the 3D printing materials market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video.